All right, so I am here at the Grotto Springs. This is probably the nicest place in town, from what I can tell, of all the little spots to check out. So, yeah, this is really pretty. Definitely up on a bit of a mountain ridge out here. You know, I can't believe this. It's spring and everything's closed. I mean, not literally everything, but a lot of stuff is closed. This may be a little dark in here to get good video, but we'll try it. I just find these places to be so beautiful. The stonework, this masonry work. It's just really beautiful. Very cool little spot. So I guess this is where the water is naturally flowing out of, at least for the moment. Looks like there's water coming out of this spot too, man. I don't really want to walk any further than I have to in here. Yeah, very cool. Very nice. There's like a trolley that takes you around, so that's an option here, but honestly, I'm never coming here again. I don't really get a good vibe from this place. All I see is like dirty hippies and price gouging from what I've seen, so I won't be returning here. I can't really recommend anybody come here. If you're in the area, which you won't be because this is like literally in the middle of nowhere. If you're here, definitely stop and see some of the scenic spots, but I don't even want to have dinner here, honestly. I don't even want to stay here anymore. I was looking forward to it. They've already killed my vibe. Everything I've seen here already is already just ruined it.